Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to show you how to get to the second layer of the Toytale computer.
Login accepted.
So first, you gotta head here. Or no, can't head there first. You have to head to the globe. Click on boy. Click on self-control. Connect. You have to click on the heart. Then it sends you back. And you head to distortion. As I think should be working. Nope, you have to go here after. Remember, it said heart, so. It'll look a lot better on your guys' screen, hopefully. Find me. Always remember the difference between the real world and the Disney world. Never forget yourself. Yeah. Okay, now you head here.
Authorization required.
It should be connect. Yourself.
Access denied.
Oof. Well, be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. This is the code. Oh wait, no, there's an E in it. I'm 100% sure this is
Access denied.
Oh.
Access denied.
I'll be right back. Okay. This might be pretty complex. Yep, that's the code.
Access denied.
Wait, what?
Access denied. Access denied.
Okay, I didn't expect that to work. I'm sorry guys, I didn't record it. All you have to do to put in the code is your username. There we are. Did you say Naruto?
Smokey. Smokey. Smokey.
So you have to find out which one's which.
Smokey.
Smokey,
What do you mean connection loss?
Smokey, Smokey, Smokey.
What do you mean? This stuff is
Smokey.
weird. I don't think there's anything new here yet. I don't think there's anything here yet. I have to tell everyone.
accepted.
No. Stop. What up, little man? Disconnecting my stuff. You guys know the code now, though. Are you guys happy with me?
Authorization required.
It's so easy to make it back here.
Access denied.
Connect first. Oh, you have to connect. Okay, guys, this is just a short video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now you guys know the code. I hope you guys are happy with me. Yet again. So, goodbye.